cryptocurrency has rallied so much on that speculative ability and being unregulated. But if you're talking about these almost caveats to stablecoins or caveats to Bitcoin or caveats to other tokens that may be traded, doesn't that kind of eliminate the fundamental appeal of what has moved it to 103,000?
I don't agree with that at all. I thought where you were going was all of these tokens being issued. We went through another period like this. It was 2017, and Bitcoin that year went from less than $1,000 to $20,000. That was the ICO boom, and most of those failed. So it's buyer beware. Yeah. Be careful, and that is why we need some regulation here, because it's out of control, as I think you would say. Bitcoin's a completely different animal, though. Completely different.
Isn't Bitcoin just a correlated asset to tech? That's the lesson from yesterday.
No, it isn't. Actually, it's part of the tech movement.
The correlation on the numbers looks pretty convincing.
It's part of the tech movement. But if you look at Bitcoin, it has served as both a risk-on asset, so that's tech, yes, but also a risk-off asset. When we went through the regional bank crisis in the U.S. in the spring of 23, Bitcoin took off. Why? Because there's no counterparty risk in Bitcoin.
If big tech sells off, will crypto go down significantly?
There is a correlation, but it is not as high as, small cap equities to large cap equities. The more institutions get involved, the more correlations will go up. But right now, if you look at the statistics, the correlations in terms of returns and risk among these assets, very different.